Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. She a beautiful painting. Option C is the correct answer. Question 2. They building a new house. Option C is the correct answer. Question 3. I reading a novel. Option C is the correct answer. Question 4. He the piano well. Option B is the correct answer. Question 5. We a taxi to the airport. Option C is the correct answer. Question 6. She her room yesterday. Option C is the correct answer. Question 7. I tired after running. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. They us last Sunday. Option C is the correct answer. Question 9. He poems. Option B is the correct answer. Question 10. You obey the rules. Option A is the correct answer. Question 11. The teacher the topic. Option C is the correct answer. Question 12. We the picnic. Option D is the correct answer. Question 13. He carefully. Option B is the correct answer. Question 14. They help us. Option D is the correct answer. Question 15. I absent yesterday. Option C is the correct answer.